Three, two, one.
Every time I upload a woodworking video, someone says, "Your workshop looks amazing." Or they ask, "What machines do you use?" But let me show you something I usually don't show on camera. Look at this. This is my workshop. It's far from perfect. I'm grateful for everything I have today, but it didn't start this way. I don't own every machine I need. I don't even have a professional table saw. What you're looking at is a small portable saw that I built a custom table around, with a homemade crosscut sled and a small router table. Is it perfect? Not even close. The sled doesn't cut perfect 90-degree angles every time, but it gets the job done. Some of my tools are more than 10 years old, and I still use them. The truth is, I never waited for the perfect workshop. I started when my workshop looked like this. This is where I built my first cabinets, my first vases, and my first doors. Year after year, I improved my workshop, one machine at a time, one project at a time, and eventually, it became what it is today. Still not perfect. I could have spent all those years chasing the perfect workshop. Instead, I spent them building projects. This cabinet wasn't built in a perfect workshop. Neither was this vase, or this wall art, or this CNC project, or those kitchen. Your workshop doesn't build projects. You do. And honestly, this workshop is already perfect for one person. He loves spending time here. And he's already building projects of his own. Maybe that's the best thing I've ever built. I didn't build my workshop first. My projects built my workshop. Every project paid for the next tool. Every year, the workshop got a little better. Thanks for watching.